So Society of Women Engineers, in collaboration with the Department of Defense, is hosting Career Exploration exam today in 2 different shifts. The exam will basically help students with undecided majors.
I go to LC for welding, and I mean, like, I'm looking at weld engineering or like going further in my career, and I know that there's a lot of information here on that, like, that can help me out. So that's why I came.
We are actually able to come on campus and bring assets such as the STEM trailer that's here today, as well as just kind of bringing out the robots and different items that they can get hands-on experience with.
Well, I learned that Sarah, the robot, takes difficult routes that the Army can't, like saving people from fires and crashing down bridges to save people from them. And that's what I learned, that she can help a lot.